You guys, welcome back. I'm craving a mixture of creamy and savory, so I'll be making some crispy crab rangoons filled with a comforting cream cheese mixture. It's so easy to make and perfect as an appetizer or a guilty midnight snack. For the mixture, we'll need to chop up some garlic, and scallion. Some soft cream cheese because it's easier to mix. In goes crab meat. Imitation crab works great here too. Add in the chopped garlic and scallion. Soy sauce, sesame oil, vinegar, and onion powder. This egg is for sealing the wonton wrapper together, which you'll see in just a moment. I'm using store-bought wonton wrappers. They usually come in yellow or off-white color like this one. Take a wonton wrapper and place about a tablespoon or so of the filling in the center of it. Brush some of the egg onto the wonton wrapper. This will act as a glue to seal it shut. Gather all of the corner of the wrapper together, like this, and seal it shut. Let's do it a few more times. I recommend using more egg than meat all along the edges to ensure that it doesn't open during the frying process. For a simple dipping sauce, mix together Sriracha, Kewpie Mayo, regular mayo would do just fine, Vinegar, and your favorite roasted chili oil. And that's it. Once your oil has heated up, you can drop the crab rangoons in. You want to fry them until they've developed some color and the wrappers become crispy. Be careful not to over-fry them because the cream cheese mixture can boil out. If it does, you can simply take a fine sieve and strain the oil to prevent the mixture that boiled out from burning in the oil and messing up the color of your wrappers. Here we have it, simple crab rangoons. The wrapper is crispy and the filling is creamy and savory. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and leave me a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.